Hi my lovely people, Sheila here. Guys, look at this. You know, I always share all the nice views that I encounter, all the nice views that I see wherever I am. I record them for you guys. I'm somewhere up in Akright. You know how Akright is known for the houses and everything. But guys, look at this. Bana bazimbye bannange. It is flat, flat on flat on flat on flat after flat beyond flat. Look at this. Just look at this. It's going to be a short video, obviously, because I'm not walking through Akright, but I just wanted to share with you what is going on in our country. Obviously, some of you can access these places, but then I know some people cannot access the places. So I know people love it when I share things with them. So guys, look at this. But you see up here, you see there is even a car parked there. I'm not quite sure how it enters up there, but what? Look at that. Wow. The breeze is so fresh. I think you can hear the birds. Can you hear the birds? You know, the birds in the trees. You can hear the birds in the trees. Wow. The breeze is amazing. The breeze is so fresh. The green is greening. Now you see the other one on top there. Wow. Guys, the breeze is so fresh. You have no idea. Literally fresh. I'm not going to walk far, but mulabe nyumba z'abantu banange. You know, things like this literally motivate me to wake up in the morning and go and work. Like sambe chikunte bikunta biveemu ngalabye ensanafu musuukayo. Awo mbayimbidde already. Okay, abayimbira. Hey. Guys, you see, just see. Nendako ngenda zibalaga kasoke nyimirire bulungi wano naye nga mmwe. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look, check this out. Look at this. Just you look at this. Lava. Mama, very factory. Mujiraba. I think it's a factory or something. Do you see it over there? These are like, is it different colors? Like a factory of something of a kind, you know. Naye, muraba amayumba g'abantu. Tell me this does not motivate you to do better and work better and, you know, have something nice in your life. Goodness. You know what they say, once you've been exposed, you cannot be unexposed. Which is why I'll use my last money to travel somewhere and see things that I've never seen before. You know, once you've been exposed, once you've seen something different, you cannot unsee it. Once you've smelled fresh air, once you've smelled air that is not Ugandan air, once you've seen something that has caught your soul, you cannot unsee it. Now guys, look at that. Goodness, look at this. I was in an apartment. I think those are apartments. You see them? These are apartments, I think. Actually, I think most of them are apartments. They're not even like nyumba z'abantu. Naye mulaba amayumba, guys. Look at how beautiful these houses are. Mategula kumategula. Nothing less of that. Have you guys seen any iron sheets anywhere? Nze sinalaba ku bbaati n'erimu oba mmwe mwalirabyeko nga mumbuulira. Naye nga this is how the place is. Place is amazing. Breeze is fresh. waliwo akasozi bangezeeko okukambuka. And I see what we see over there. It is amazing, I tell you. It is amazing. Anyway, guys, let me see if I can go a bit up that hill and see what I'm seeing up there. But for now, this is the view where I'm at. Rest assured, I'm always going to update you on the views everywhere I go. If the view is nice, if it is fitting, if it inspires me, I would like to share it with you so that you also get inspired to do better and work harder, you know. But yeah, this is it so far. Thank you guys for watching. The old viewers, thank you for coming back over and over again. For my new viewers, please subscribe. Lovely people, subscription is free, as in free. I do not charge to subscribe. Subscription is free. Just hit the subscription button, give me a thumbs up, I'm walking up the hill. Okay, I'm walking up the hill so that I can see more beautiful houses and show you more beautiful houses. Emwe mulabe ennyumba, mulaba amategula bannange. Wanyuma okutambula okukkirira ne tulaba amayumba. Look at these houses. Just you look. This little hill. Mulaba ennyumba iri eri waggulu ku lusozi. Do you see it? Up on the hill. Ono yateekawo ne ka mini bar. Mande manyi olusozi lukoma wano, olusozi lweyongerayo, nze nkomye wano people. But look at that. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, guys, mulaba ennyumba z'abantu. Mulaba abantu bwe balina ssente, waliwo n'oyo ali mu kusereka. Omulaba? Someone there is roofing. This is beautiful, guys. It's amazing. Wow. Okay, just one more step further. But the houses are really nice, guys. Look at this. Look at these amazing, beautiful houses. Don't be surprised nga waliwo azimbye. Omuntu ayinza okujja n'azimba eyo waggulu. Bannayuganda ennaku zino tebakyasaaga. Bana ekkubo lyeyongerayo, sigenda kweyongerayo. Because I'm dying already even before continuing. But you see, the beautiful houses continue as well. But I'll get some time and drop by for the sake of content. Bakwatire ku nyumba eziri mu Akright. I like walk through or drive through, you know. Labai mulabe ekiri wane. So guys, let me know if you would like me to walk through Akright for purposes of content creation. If you would drop me a comment, if you would like me to walk through here, I will walk through here. And I'll get you houses, people. I'll get you fancy houses, I promise. Let me know. But, oh God, Mama, mulabe nyumba. Neoba oziringiza mbulingiza oba oziraba nga kiri massive. Kiri massive, people. Look at that. It's really nice. I'm happy. I'm really, really happy. I like seeing developments. What was it? But I think most of them are apartments, I think. Ndoze singa apartment, bazimba apartment, bantu kujja kusulamu. Bana baabo bazimba waggulu kumaki? Ku nsozi? Mumulabe? Hey. Anyway, guys, my lovely viewers, my lovely people, thank you for being here once again. I'm thanking you for being here. Thanking you for watching. I'm thanking you for never missing. Please drop me a thumbs up. It costs literally nothing for you to drop me a thumbs up. Drop me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Ask me about anything. Let me know if you would like me to do a full-blown Akright video. Atanze mumanyi se koza video njaba video ya 1 hour. Mumanyi simanyise koza video njaba wa video nga yawana awa nga ya Akright yokka nga ntambula nyumba ku nyumba oba gate ku gate oba nyumba ku nyumba nobabuuzaako tujja babuuzaako. But anyway, let me know. Let me know if you would like to see a full-blown Akright video. Yeah, Akright, full-blown, only Akright. Yeah, drop me a comment, drop me a like. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. New viewers, thank you guys for coming. Old viewers, thank you for coming. It's good vibes. Wow. Do you see it? The lines with colors over there. I think that's a school, don't you think? Lirabika somero. Like a somero nayo basomero ki? Because kuliko nakatimba wagulu. You know these timbers they make these days for playing football. You know those ebisawe bebe bakole ebiri modern. Ndengenda gamba the fields. The field, the football field, the football pitch. You know those modern ones. Yeah, I see it on top of the building. I think it's a school. But anyway, guys, lovely people, let me know if you would like full-blown Akright video. I'll give it to you. But for now, Akright here yombalazeko kensobola balagako according to where I am. Lovely place, fresh breeze. Teri na motoka nozamula teri motoka zitambula ku luguudo. Oluguudo olutambulamu okuva gye lutandikira paka gye luggweera. Yeah, I would like to hear from you people. I would like to hear from you. Let me know what you want. Let me know. Mumpe ku thumbs up, guys. Kati bifuse byampaka mumpe ku thumbs up, mumpe ku subscribe. Hi people. Thank you for being here. This is Sheila, your host as usual. Thank you for being here, and see you in our next video. See you in my next video. Let me know. Waiting to hear from you. Bye.